This 2017 Grand Design Reflection 27RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, slide-out, TV, refrigerator, awning, spare tire kit, oven, LP detector, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Grand Design Reflection 27RL is 8,150 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.